Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video we're gonna learn about how to change background in Omi TV. So for you to be able to get started in here, the first things that we need to do is to set up all of the things that are needed for this one. So for that, you need to have an OBS studio installed onto your device, and then this one also, this file, which is the OBS cam registry fixer. So we're gonna go ahead and link in the description box below so that you could go ahead and download this file as well. So right after, we're gonna open this file in here. And remember to extract this file first so that you could open it. So as you can see, we're in the file already in here. You'll just have to click onto this and then click onto these two files also to run this. So you should be able to see a message like this right after you have run this, and do the same thing for the other file. Then right after, you'll just need to head here onto the settings of your Chrome or your browser. So we're just gonna go ahead and try to find in here the site settings. So you could search this onto the search bar, click onto that, and then right after, here onto the camera, we're gonna go ahead and click onto that, and then click onto this part in here. So as you can see, there are different options in here. So what we need to choose is this one, the HD webcam C252, since this is the camera for the OBS studio. So we're gonna click onto that, and then right after, we're gonna close this one out and head onto the device manager of your PC or laptop. Here on the device manager, we need to head onto the camera in here, and as you can see, we could see two options in here, the snap camera and this one. So we're gonna go ahead and disable this one, and then click onto yes. And then right after, once it is already disabled, the next step for this, just go ahead and launch OBS Studio, and then here onto the sources, just click onto the plus button, and then we're gonna go ahead and add in a media source. Then just go ahead and click onto OK, and then right after, we're gonna go ahead and browse in a file in here that we want to add. And then right after, we could go ahead and choose a loop in here, click onto OK, and then right after, you could go ahead and resize the photo that you could see in here. And then as you can see, we have successfully added already the background that we're going to use. So we're going to go ahead and click on to start virtual camera in here. And then right after, that's just basically it on setting this up. You could head back onto your Omi TV. And as you can see, we have gone ahead and already added in here the background that we want to use. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.